What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm going to share with you guys some Bohemian rope twists. And I know you guys have been asking me to do twist styles for a while now, so I'm super excited to finally bring this to you guys because this hairstyle turned out so fire. I was like, oh my god, I have to post this look ASAP. So I already have a rope twist tutorial on my channel, and I didn't realize this because I recorded this video on my phone, but a lot of the gripping at the root is very hard to see in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and link in the top right corner my rope twist video where you can really see how I'm gripping the root and really just getting these twists started. But today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about adding in that Bohemian hair to get that just like pop and water wave look in your twist. Just definitely a game changer. And just I'm also going to talk about the way that I did the ends because it is a little different than I would do for my Bohemian box braids. So first and foremost, I want to point out that I am using human hair in this video. I am using the Jazzz Wave hair collection, and I believe the curl pattern is water wave. And guys, I've literally looked everywhere online to try to like find this hair for you guys, to find a link, but I cannot find it. And I get this hair from my local beauty supplies, so like, yeah, I don't order it offline myself, but it is so hard to find. So if anybody finds it, go ahead and link it in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and pin your comment because I literally have not been able to find this hair anywhere. But whenever I'm doing Bohemian styles, I've talked about this before, I prefer to use human hair just because it lasts longer. And so basically to add that in, I'm gonna add one side of it to the piece that's hanging over my thumb, and I keep twisting. It's super easy. The hardest part about this is the fact that you have to tuck those straight ends in. And so sometimes I had to cut them off if I'm not able to blend it in with the synthetic hair. But other than that, the human hair actually worked really easy on this style. The product that's on my hand and the product that I'm using to blend my client's natural hair in and the human hair in is Shine and Jam in the green bottle. This is one of my favorite products to use when I'm braiding, guys. I swear by it. So I'll make sure I link that in the description section for you guys. So my client wanted her twist long, and the human hair that I have is only 18 inches. So I did go ahead and add two pieces. I did like one at the top and one closer towards the bottom, just so that the bottom of the twist don't look really empty, and it just gives that full look. So I'm gonna twist it down until like I barely can twist it anymore, just because there's barely any hair left. And I'm gonna go ahead and burn the tip, and that's how I like to keep my twist secure. I am gonna go back in at the end and like curl the ends of this, so it's not gonna be the finished look, but I like to give it a little burn just so that they don't unravel. So the style took me 4 hours to do. Is definitely a lot quicker than it would take me to do Bohemian box braids, and I think that's because if you guys have watched my Bohemian box braid method, there is a lot more steps to that, and you guys will see how I like knock out some of those steps when I get to the ends by actually curling the twist instead of adding curly hair to the bottom of the twist. I decided not to do this because I seen another stylist on Instagram just like perm rod the bottom of the twist and curl it, and it turned out really nice, and so I kind of just wanted to experiment and try that on her hair today and see how well it would blend with the Bohemian. To add these overhead clips in just so you guys can kind of see my gripping a little better. Sorry that the video quality is not super bomb, but that's just because I zoomed in on it a lot. So I just wanted to like kind of give you guys a chance to just see how I am starting off my twist. But like I said, I have the video linked in this video and also in the description section for you guys to really see a better angle of how I'm gripping those roots for this twist. Twists are actually really hard for me. Like I struggle with these, and I have definitely gotten a lot better in this style. Like I said, turned out bomb, but just trying to get an even and consistent twist has always been a struggle of mine, and that's why I always kind of like shied away from doing twists. But guys, with practice, you can literally do anything. You cannot expect to be perfect on your first time. You just have to keep doing it over and over and over, and through trial and error, you will learn like tips and what kind of braiding hair to use. By the way, I'm using Expressions braiding hair that I stretched myself. I do not use pre-stretch hair when I'm doing twists because when you dip it, it never turns out right, and I was just like, you know what, I'm over this. So I do stretch the hair myself, and I know that's annoying for a lot of people, but sometimes you have to make those sacrifices to get a nice and polished look. So yes, I used a total of 4.5 packs of Expressions braiding hair. She wanted her twist to be really, really thick. So yeah, typically when I'm doing any type of braided style, I never really use more than 4 packs of Expressions, but this one I use like just a little over like 4 packs. I didn't even use half of the 5th pack. So the next step after all my twists are done is I went through and I pinned up all the curly pieces. You kind of just have to pick through and weed them out because you definitely don't want those to touch the hot water. It will affect the curl pattern, and a long time ago I learned my lesson with that because I was like, oh, it's human hair and I can get it wet, and it totally ruined my style and I had to go back in and fix it. So if you guys want to see that trial and error video somewhere on my channel, it's a Bohemian box braid video, but just a great learning lesson that I shared with you guys. So I'm just taking these pink perm rods and I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'm gonna be dipping these in hot water so that they curl at the ends with just the braids. So I didn't even have to add in any curly hair at the ends, and this did save me a lot of time. So yes guys, once I took these perm rods out, you guys see how perfect these curls are. Oh my gosh, I was just so happy with the size and just the way that they turned out. It was absolutely perfect. And when I added in that human hair, it really was like a seamless blend. What I did do was take my scissors and go through and kind of trim those curls up. You just want to make sure you get all those little straight pieces that didn't curl out of the way. And guys, wow, look at that flawless blend. So I want you guys to take a poll in the comment section and let me know if you guys like a Bohemian twist or Bohemian box braids better. Right now I'm leaning towards the twist just because I see how flawless, how soft it looks, and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the description. I'm sorry, not the description, the comment section below. So it's super funny because I was roasting my client afterwards because I said, baby, your top lip is so ashy. She was like, I know, I've been licking my lips. You know how y'all lick y'all lips and you get that little dry thing on it? I said, baby, come on now. So yeah, we were just joking around and having fun. But I did insert some pictures in here for you guys just so you guys can see these angles and how nice those curls look. If you don't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Snapchat. I like to keep up with you guys. I always try my best to respond to you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?